Who's ready for another Super Toe adventure? Go, go, Super Toe speed! Oh, gotta wait for the light. There it is, go! Bye-bye, people. Slow people. And up the stairs. Turn. And up the stairs. And Metro card swipe. Now, where do I want to stand? Let's go over the way. All the okay, all the way at the end. Can't go any further. It says do not enter the tracks. Alright, so I guess we'll just stare at them. Hey, train coming sometime. Oh, hey, that's not a B train or a Q train. What kind of train is that? It's a work train. There's a construction train. Let's see what's on it. Pretty cool. DL905. Wow, look at that. What do they have on there? Can't even see what they have on there. Ooh, a crane! It's a crane train! Hey, bye crane train! Bye! Wow, that was pretty cool. Look at it go. No express trains today, I guess. Just local. That would be the Q. Okay, now we just wait. Boo-doo-boo. Boo-doo-boo. Boo-doo. Boo-doo-boo. Boo-doo-boo. No, can't stand on the yellow. No. Bad Super Toe, bad. Okay. Tappy tap, 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 tappy tap, tap. Tappity tap, tappy tap, tappy tap. Man, this is taking a while. Fast forward some. Here we go. Ah, there's our Q train. Ooh, I can't wait. We're going to the first door on the first car. Window seat. Well, not that one. Window seat. Yeah, let's look at the tracks. Ah, looks nice outside. Bye-bye, Avenue, and Super Toe Speed. Oh, hey, that's another Q train. And here's another stop. This is Avenue J. Oh, hey, look at that graffiti. More people drawing on the walls. Heh. Oh well, look cool. Bye-bye, Avenue J. Another train. Let's see, is that a B train? Nope, that's another Q train. No, that was a B train. Oh, look. Avenue H is closed. Construction workers. Or construction standing arounders. Yeah, I'm not sure what they're doing. Oh, look, there's two guys doing something, sort of. A little. Boy, they're slow. I guess that's why so many stations are closed all the time. Anyway, on we go. The tracks are nice and sunny today. I don't see any treasure down there. Even if I could, I wouldn't be able to get it. Ah, here we are. This is Newkirk Plaza, says the sign. Hello, Newkirk Plaza. That's high. Alright, time to let some people on. Ooh, did I just get on the B train? What just happened? More graffiti. Yeah, I just got on the B train? No, I don't know. Tap. Hey, there's some more shoes.
Hey, Super Toe.
Gray shoes. Hey, white shoes.
Hey, Super Toe, how are you?
I'm doing pretty good, thanks for asking. Sitting here next to Mr. Black Shoes and Mr. Gray Shoes. Waiting for the train to go, just like you. Tappity tap. Look at all those rocks. I think they absorbed some of the shock. this Church Avenue? Hey, there was a guy playing guitar. I guess we're getting out here? Nope. Just standing and waiting. Super Toe sitting still. Hey, Mr. Black Shoes, not going there. This is Church Avenue. Bye-bye, Church Avenue. Ding bong. Riding the train, riding the train, riding the train. Bye-bye. Tunnel. Look at all that graffiti. Hey, there's the crane train. Hey, crane train. We caught up to you. Bye-bye, crane train. Zero. Trash. It's a shame people throw so much trash on the tracks. Can't they keep it clean? There's trash cans all over the place. Pretty lights. Blue lights. Ooh, wow, we're going fast now. We're going fast now. Fast, 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 fast. That's right, Super Toe speed, baby. We are local today. We're on the local queue today. There's another Q train. Lots of people just sitting there, just like me. Train 8812. 8812. Bye-bye, train car 8812. Away we go. Fast, not slow. And go. Now we're going fast. Where are we now? Boy, it's really slow to stop. Okay. Open the doors, let people off, let people in. Hey, Mrs. Brown Shoes.
Oh, hey, Super Toe.
Haven't seen you in a while. This is a really long ride. Hey, blue lights, blue shoes. Orange lights, wow, that's a pretty cool tunnel. Look at that. Okay. This one's taking a while to stop. Any time now. Oh, hey, look. Train workers. Welcome aboard. Hey, you're not allowed to go. Oh, I guess they're allowed to go in there, you know, since they work there and everything. Cool. They got to go in the engineer's compartment. Wonder where they're going. And away we go. All that graffiti. What? We stopped. Oh, look at that. He's letting the construction workers out in the middle of the track. That's so cool. And now we're going again. He was just giving them a ride to work. Neat. Hey, more construction workers. I guess we're going really slow so we won't risk hurting one of them. We don't want to hurt our construction workers, that's for sure. Hey! And we're on the Manhattan Bridge. Another cute train passing. Ooh, what a view. Never get tired of this view. Even if it is through a dirty window. There's the Freedom Tower, there's the Brooklyn Bridge. Still there. Hey, Brooklyn Bridge. Brooklyn Bridge is over there, over there. There's a boat, boat is going under the bridge. Eventually. Another train is passing by, passing by, passing by. Train is done, passing by. There's the bridge again. Freedom Tower's right there. There's the road we're crossing. Look at all the cars. Suckers driving cars. Oh, look at that. That's pretty cool. All the trees are green. It's a nice day. Alright, well, let's see. Oh, look at... Wow, that building has a lot of graffiti on it. Alpha Mango, I don't know what that means. Alright, well, looks like we're at Canal Street. Not getting off here. Mr. White Shoes is, though. Oh well. I guess I'll have to find another friend to talk to. Gray Shoes. Hey, Miss... No. No. I don't think we're gonna stop here. This is Prince Street. Our next stop is 14th Street, Union Square. I like how some things move by faster than others depending on where you are. The front poles move past a lot faster than the black poles, it looks like. And the blue lights are pretty. And we're sitting. Tap, to tap, 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 to tap, tap, tappity tap, tap, to tap, tap. Boom, 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 boom. Bye bye, manners make a better ride. Doors closed. Off we go again. Tap, 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 tap again. Tap, tap, tap. Ah, next stop is 34th Street, Herald Square. That's right, and we're not getting off here. Bye-bye, Herald Square. Bye-bye. What's the next stop? Let's watch Herald Square go away. Bye-bye. Go, go, Super Toad Speed! We're getting off at Times Square. Here we go. Where are we going in Times Square? We're going all the way to the 1 and 2 train. Oh, yeah. Hey, look at that. She's really talented. Alright, well, bye-bye, Miss Violin Player. Off we go. Doobity-doop-doop-doo. On to 1 and 2 train track. Let's see. 1 train comes in 9 minutes. 3 train in 1 minute. Which one do we want to take? Which train are we going to take? Let's walk a little ways down and see. Oh, look at that. There's the 2 train on the other side. Waiting for the 3 train. 3 train. 3 train. Going express on the 3 train. Waiting for it to come by. Yep. Isn't that nice? Lots of interesting shoes walking by. Black shoes. Orange and black shoes.
Hey, Super Toe.
Hi. Hi there, Mr. Blue and Black Shoes.
Hey, Super Toe.
Hi, Big Black Shoes. Very nice to see you.
You too.
Hey, Super Toe. Hi, Mrs. Gold Shoes. Ah. 3 train. So shiny. They must have washed this one recently. Okay. Here we gotta wait for the other shoes to get out. Alright, now we're going in 3 train, and we'll just stand right here and look out the window. Hey everybody! Bye everybody! Bye-bye. 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 Zoom, zoom. We're going to 116th Street. So we're gonna get off again at 96th Street and wait for the 1 train. Why aren't we there yet, though? Sigh. Tap, 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 tap. Anything? No treasure. Oh, look at... Hey, Mr. Red and Blue Shoes.
Hey, Super Toe, how are you?
Doing great, thank you. Look at all the pretty lights go by so fast. Super Toe Speed. We're going express today. 3 train go. All right, that's a pretty sight. Look at all those. Look at all that track go by. Not gonna stop here. Not gonna stop there. Gonna stop at 72nd Street next. Here we go. Oh wow, that's fast. Here we go. 72nd Street. And we're not getting off here. A lot of people are getting off there. Bye-bye, 72nd Street. See ya! Zoom. Yellow lights. Whee! There's 79th Street. Bye-bye, 79th Street. There's 86th Street. Not stopping there. Bye-bye, 86th Street. Wow. Yellow lights and graffiti. Bye-bye, blue lights and green lights. Lots of lights, lots of lights. Very cool lights. We're stopping here, I think. This would be 96th Street. Yep, 96th Street. Now we're just gonna cross the platform to the 1 train. Let's see. Yep, that's the 1 train. Okay. Let doors close. We found our little spot here. Ooh, we're racing the 3 train for a second. Hey there, 3 train. I was just on you. That's right. Bye-bye, 3 train. Ooh, you're going so low. Look at how low you are, 3 train. I can see your roof. You're so low. Can you see up my train? Hehe. Isn't that neat? Well, the 3 train's going to a different place. We're going to 116th Street. The 3 train's next stop is 110th Street. Alright, through the tunnel. Fast, fast, fast. The 1 train is local. Here we go. Local. Bye-bye, Cathedral Parkway. Local 1 on its way past Cathedral Parkway. Next stop is 116th. Here we go. Ready? You ready to get out? Here, zoom. You ready? And go, go, Super Toe. Alright. 116th Street. Up the stairs. Out the turnstile. Columbia University. That's where I like. It's a very pretty campus. Won't you look at it with me? Up the stairs. Very pretty campus. Ooh, look at that. Nice statues, pretty fence, green trees. Let's go to the middle and have a look around. Ooh, look at that. There's a look at how nice this campus looks. Nice fountain. Well, I hope you enjoyed your time with me today. Join me next time for another Super Toe adventure. Bye-bye. And don't forget to subscribe. Go, go, Super Toe, subscribe.